Hello guys, welcome back to Short Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to add multiple photos in Instagram stories for your Android and how to do this app. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to download an app. So you just have to go to your Play Store and you just have to search for Gbox, and this is the app which you have to select this and you just have to install this app. And once after this has been successfully downloaded and install it, just follow the instructions. Now what you have to do is you just have to open this up. Just open this and this is how it looks like. Now you just have to follow the next instruction. What you have to do is just skip this part and you just have to scroll down, and there is an option called Gbox keyboard. Select this. Now give the permissions, like you just have to tap on allow, then just give for get started, and you just have to go for switch to Gbox keyboard and give allow once again, and you just have to click on enable Gbox keyboard. Just have to tap on it and go for enable Gbox keyboard, and from here you just have to enable this. Okay, once it is done you just have to go for OK and go for OK once again, and it is being done, right? So now as you can see that it is being done already, and now what you have to do is just click on switch to Gbox once again and change from here to Gbox, I mean English Gbox, and it is all done. Now you just have to try it out. So what you have to do is, this is what you have to do and how to prepare the app. Now you just have to open your Instagram. Let me open my Instagram, and from here you just have to click over here and you just have to add the respective photos which you wanted to add up. Now let me capture this, right? I'm going to make this as a background. Now I have an icon at the top. You just have to tap on this, and from here you just have to select the respective one in between, anything you wanted to, the respective color. And once it is done you just have to keep it as it is. And now what I have to do is you just have to you click on the plus icon at the top, and it is being done successfully. Now what you have to do is you just have to click here at the icon at the top, tap on this icon, and from here on your keyboard you just have to click on image icon at the bottom. As you can see my fingers, you just have to select this up, and from here you just have to click on the images which you wanted to add. As you can see that these are the available images right now, so you just have to select the images which you wanted to add. So let me select this one, and I'll be keeping in between at the top space. Okay, I'm going to keep it over there or somewhere else. I'm going to change it between and I'm going to keep it here. Okay, it is done. Okay, now I'm going to add it once again. So I'm going to click over there and I'm going to add next image. As you can see that I'm going to keep this. Okay, now in the same way I'm going to rearrange the positions in order to make it more perfect. So what I'm going to do in my part. So once it is being done already, I'm going to add one more images. I'm going to click over there and I'm going to select the next image. So let me select this one. So this is what it's about it, and I'm going to do this up and I'm going to keep this at the bottom to make it more clarified. Like there is no meaning to it, but this is how you can do this up. And once it is done you can just post this up on your stories or your close friends, and you can do this up. And this is what it's all about when it comes to how to do this up and multiple images on Instagram stories for your Android devices. And I hope, and also the very most important thing what I want to tell you is, some of you guys will be having trouble once it is being changed from Gbox to the run. So you just have to change this up. To what you have to do is you just have to select settings. Now from here you just have to click on system and update. There is an option called language. There is an option called language and input. You just have to select this up. And there is an option called keyboard, which is default keyboard. You have to select this. From here you have to change the Gbox back to the Microsoft Shift key, and it is done. Now it is being changed back to the normal, and as you can see that even if you type, the normal keyboard is being appearing, and this is what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.